How the rich save their money and never want you to know. And the truth is this, except you are closer to the rich, you will not know this secret. So if you have your money saved in your bank, whether in dollar or in naira, you are actually losing the value of that money every single day. Stay with me. Let me explain to you how this is happening. This secret is known to the rich and they never want you to know. And each single day that they sleep, their money is not sleeping, it's making money. They make sure that their money is making their money while they are resting. Let me give you some realities check that you need to consider. In Nigeria, the inflation rate is around 29% to 33% right now. Let me put in the context that you will understand. What that means is 1 million naira you have today, or 1 million naira that you had last year, by now, it will be around 700,000 naira. Listen to me. Why you think that you are actually saving? Inflation is actually stealing that your money quietly without you even knowing. Every single day, your money is losing value, is losing power, is losing that power of purchase. Although some people say, okay, I have a better way. I have money I don't want to use. I have a better way to save it. And one of the way which some people who are smart do this is they do what they call fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is safe, it's good, it makes your money save and you get some good percentage. Yes, it's safe. You get about 13 to 17% yearly, depending on the bank you are using. But the problem is this, inflation is about 30%, which means is you're actually losing, but it is happening slowly. The bank protects your money from thief. If they are giving that percentage and inflation is 30%, no, they're not actually protecting your money from inflation. Another smart way some smart investors do, or some rich people do also, is what they call money market fund. Listen, money market fund is also smart, so it's a very good one. Your money is invested in treasury bill, is invested in short government paper, and it's fantastic. Most of these commercial banks do this. You can walk up to their bank and tell them you want, and they will give you their percentage. But it ranges from 18% to 22%, depending on the bank that you want to do. It is better than fixed deposit. And also, you can actually withdraw your money when you want to withdraw your money. You are protecting your money from a little of inflation, but the reality is this, is not see enough to protect your money from inflation. But the smartest of all of them all is what we call the real estate cash back. This is what the rich are quietly using to reserve their fund that they don't want to use immediately. This real estate cashback investment. It is not Ponzi. It is not a quick rich way of making money. It ties your money to a land project, to a real estate project that have value. You invest and you hold for about 12 months. That is the average time I would recommend. And you can earn up to 37% interest. Your money is backed by properties. It's not backed on empty promises. Let me do some comparison so I can understand. If you decide to go for fixed deposit, you are getting between 13% to about 17%, and that does not cover inflation. If you decide to go for money markets, you are getting between 18% to about 22%. That does not still cover inflation. But if you go for the real estate cashback, about 35%. That is massive. That is good. When you look at the numbers, it's not about who gives the highest interest. No. It's about the protection you get for your money. It's about the money not dying in value. That is why I recommend that before this year runs out, you need to position yourself. The rich don't just save money. They take a position. They fight against inflation. The money don't just lie in the bank account for bank account purpose alone. The money is protected. More life is given to the money, and you are investing in assets. You don't need million to start thinking of investing in real estate cashback. You can start as low as 50K, 100K, 200K, 1 million, depending on the cashback system you are looking at doing. Listen, I'm not saying that you should rush into anything. Do your research properly. But when you hear real estate cashback, you need to pay attention, because the rich are using this quietly to make quiet money. I have a couple of clients who also do this, and I also do it too. Put my money in real estate cashback, and I can tell you that this is what the smart people do. They don't just save, they position. Let me give you a typical example. Let's say you have 100 million naira, for instance, and you put that 100 million now, which is this month. By this time next year, that's 100 million will be 137 million. That is about 37% interest, which others will not give you. That is why I'm recommending you need to start looking at real estate cashback. And note, there are several cashback in the market, but you have to be careful. After carefully doing my study for over 2 years, also investing in real estate cashback, I can tell you the company I'm working with in this cashback, the company is reliable, and that is Zylus Group of Company. Because why am I saying this? They are investing your money in real projects. Real projects. I get me. These real projects, they have land, they have properties, and they are buying properties that will last a test of time. So if you invest with Zylus Group of Company in Zylus Real Estate Cashback, you have certainty that 12 months you will get your money with your percentage when you need it. No story. So if you are looking at doing real estate cashback, the best thing you can do now is to copy the number on the screen now. Give us a call. Let's assist you in getting this particular investment scheme, this savings that the rich do, and only few people take advantage of it. Give us a call. Call us. Let's assist you in achieving this. My name is Dennis Song. Please kindly subscribe. Any question you have in the comment section below, and I'll be there to answer you. Bye for now.